But this is called The Next Missiles. There's a lot of details in this song about where I grew up in Lake Bluff. And it's kind of about growing up with people from such an early age that you never quite, from before you were really conscious or understood the world and never really saw the pain that they're in and what they're going through. Even if they're the most popular person, really soon they're all good. And apparently, a lot of them really weren't. So, here we go.
Now those that would judge will say you're aloof. You know the truth is a seed. You know what you need is a conflagration. Cause when I see the blood and the bits of your broken tooth, gives me the proof that I need. It's the proof that you bleed. It's a revelation. It's a revelation. It's a revelation. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Thought you were a life-size paper doll, propped up in the hardware store, propped up on the front lawn, watching the paraders, legionnaires with 2x4s marching off the wall, marching off the wall. I didn't know what you were made of. You're afraid of. Are you made of calcium or are you carbon based? Cause if you're made of calcium, I'm gonna have to take a taste. Cause this is calcium. It's deadly, but it's turned into the tooth. It's one surefire way to know if you're MX missile proof or not. Or if you're just aloof, I think so. Boom, 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 boom. You in the ground in late November, when the leaves and earth were down. Did you think they would remember how you almost made state champ? Cause when you're running for the game against our hearts, you fell upon the ground and shifted to the floor. That might really have surprised us, to learn that you were really MX missile proof. Well, I thought you were a life-size paper doll, and you're propped up in the hardware store. You were propped up on the front lawn, watching the parade of these legionnaires with 2x4s marching off the wall, marching off the wall, and marching. Bum, 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 bum.